ready to go? Let's go. Let's go outside. Come on. Today's bento, I made shrimp lo mein with spicy cucumber, fruit, and tomatoes because we know Mr. Business enjoys that. So when it comes to lo mein, it's really about the sauce, like the flavor, right? So when it comes to the noodles, you can use and look for like lo mein noodles, or you can use spaghetti or fettuccine if you have that on hand. For the sauce, it calls for a little bit of corn starch, sesame oil, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. My couple additions was minced garlic as well as some Korean red pepper in there as well. I did make a mistake with adding too much of the chicken bouillon for the stock. So definitely want to make sure if you're following a recipe or you're kind of trying to figure out on your own, make sure that you don't add too much of the chicken bouillon like I did, or else it's going to be a little salty. But I feel like with the Korean red pepper, it calmed it down a bit. So that is the bento for today. And one more day, and it's Friday, and the weekend starts.